How to share a YouTube video on Instagram story. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To share a YouTube video on your Instagram story, firstly launch a YouTube application in your device. Now since there is no direct way to share a YouTube video on Instagram story, basically what you can do is you can take a screenshot of this layout. Then tap on the share icon and click on copy link. Once you have done that, head back from here and open up your Instagram application. Then click on your story and select the screenshot. You can go ahead and adjust the screenshot according to your preference. Now to share the link, tap on the sticker icon at the top. From here, select on the link option. You need to paste the link that you copied and tap on Done. After which you can arrange it somewhere over here or according to your preference. Then you can click on your story. Now you need to wait until your story is posted. Once your story has successfully posted, tap open. Now what the audience or your follower can do is they can just click on this clickable link. Then they can just tap on visit link, which will redirect you to your own YouTube video. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.